Ikhomishana eholwa yijaji selathatha umhlalaphansi uJustice Bess Nkabinde yakhuza uAdvocate Shamila Batohi ngemuva kokuba eveze ukuthi wathintana nomunye ufakazi kulesicawu oyinhloko ye-NPA KwaZulu-Natal uElaine Harrison mayelana nesinqumo sokuhoxisa amacala ayamene namaphoyisa eCato Manor. uNkabinde uthi ubengasivumela isicelo sikaBatohi kepha uthi wehlulekile ukukhombisa isicawu ukuthi indlela akhuzwa ngayo ngalesenzo yayichemile.
There is no constitutional imperative that may be discerned from the papers to consult and obtain legal advice as regards the applicant's rights and obligations, particularly as the applicant's testimony under cross-examination remains incomplete. Accordingly, the application is dismissed.
Ukuthembeka kwakhe uBatohi kule khomishana kwangabazeke emva kwalesigameko nokwaholela ekutheni asidube isicawu. Usihlalo wekhomishana uthi okwakhe nje ukuthi akhulume iqiniso futhi akabadingi abameli ukuze enze lokho.
When she was asked questions which seemed to be understood to have probed answers implicating her, the applicant answered the questions without seeking any legal advice. There is no reason to believe that any further evidence, if the applicant elects to continue with her testimony, will not be proper, as the oath is still binding on her conscience.
Akukaziwa ukuthi uBatohi uzobuya yini ukuzoqedela ubufakazi ngemuva kwalesinqumo sekhomishana.